This month has been super exciting. I visited Belgium and Germany for the first time. And in today's video, I'm sharing some of the fun things that I did in the city of Dusseldorf, Germany. I took a day trip there from the city of Cologne. From the city of Cologne, it'll take about 21 minutes to get to Dusseldorf by train. I arrived at the train station at around 9:01 a.m. and so as you can see, it's not very crowded at all. I bought my tickets online, which I would highly recommend to save some time from having to figure out where to buy the tickets or which kind to buy. I find the train stations in Germany really large. So oftentimes I noticed that the information desk is not really that accessible. From my experience, it's always been only on one side and not on both sides of the entrance or exits. So that's why I said I prefer, if possible at all, to buy my tickets in advance and online. Before I exited, I had to use the restroom, and I thought I would share with you some interesting discovery I have about using restrooms there in Germany. Throughout the stations, you'll be seeing kiosks like this, which is where you can buy the tickets. I'm going to be taking the taxi to the Rhine Towers, and just FYI, almost all of the taxis in Germany only takes cash. Hello. Rhine Tower? I arrived the Rhine Tower super early, so I have some extra time, and so I thought I would just walk the popular promenade area of the Rhine Tower. It is pretty much behind the Rhine Tower, as you can see here. It'll take you about, I would say, 30 minutes to walk through the whole promenade. So if you decide to visit the Rhine Tower, make sure you buy your tickets in advance. I did not do that because I didn't know what time the train will arrive. But when I got there, it was only 9-ish, and they opened at 10 a.m., but they already sold out. So my ticket isn't until 11 a.m. So I have some time, and that's why I thought I would just walk the promenade area, check out the surroundings. And so far, it looks really nice and quiet and super clean here. Actually, while walking down this road, I met a Filipino couple that actually offered me a ride to their boat, and so I will share that as well later on. After 35 minutes, it's about time for me to walk back to the Rhine Tower, and let's check it out. Okay, we've made it to the front of the Rhine Tower. This structure is about 800 feet tall, and once we get to the top of it, we can see the whole metropolis area. And here we are. I was really impressed with this observation deck. From here you can see the whole area, you can see the airport, you can see the Rhine River, and so much more. I definitely think it's worth the visit. During this trip, I met Romel and Mary Joy. They're a Filipino couple who operates tour boats on the Rhine River, and they invited me to join them. It was so relaxing. The tour took about an hour each way, and during the trip, there's drinks available. If you want a non-smoking area, you can stay in the lower deck, and then if you want open air space and you don't mind smoke, there's the upper deck area also. After the boat ride, we took a taxi and headed to Kobogen area. Kobogen is a shopping area in Dusseldorf. And actually, even before reaching the Kobogen area, I already started noticing a lot of the upscale and independent fashion stores. So if you love shopping, I would highly recommend to check out this area. Another great thing about this location is that it is very accessible by bus or by train. As you can see, it's really nice and relaxing, a lot of green space there. Anyway, that is my day trip in Dusseldorf. I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe. There will be more videos of my trips from Belgium and Germany. See you next time.